Get strong.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa from the Stoney Creek School of Art. Today we are going to be drawing a really cute donut. So the first thing we're going to be drawing is a oval shape. So I use my pinky on the paper to sort of get the shape and the muscle movement, and then I put my pencil down. Don't worry if you have all of these sort of scratchy, sketchy lines. Those will be erased at the end. So then I'm going to go to the middle and draw a smaller oval. That's going to be the donut hole. On either end of our ovals, we're going to do a kind of a curve and a curve, and then join them together with a curved line as well. We want it to be a similar curve to the curve that's right here. Okay, perfect. So now we have our base donut. Now we get to add the drips of the icing that's on top of it. So we want to make it look like it has a little bit of dimension to it. So I'm going to do a curve off of the donut shape and then start my curvy lines for the drips in my icing. Same when I come to the edge of this side, I'm going to come out a bit and then up like that. I'm going to do a couple drips just in the center of the donut hole, because typically that icing, that chocolate icing or strawberry icing does drip down into the center of the donut hole. Okay, perfect. So let's add some cute cartoony eyes. I'm going to do 2 circles on either side of the donut. Circle and a circle for the pupil and the shine in the eye. I'm going to add a nice smile, some little eyebrows. And then now I'm going to add some sprinkles kind of all over the donut. I'm just using oval shapes or little sausage shapes. And don't forget to do a few sprinkles coming down on the icing as well. Okay, perfect. So now I'm done with my pencil. I'm going to take my outline marker, my Sharpie marker or your black permanent marker, and now I'm going to outline. Like that. I'm going to do sort of like a broken line on the edge of the donut where it's dripping down, and same with at the front. I'm not going to outline it completely. I'm just going to kind of do a few little lines like that to show that there is a dimension, that it is going down, that there is an edge there, even though we're not seeing it because of the way the icing is. donut. You could make your icing chocolate, or maybe it's blue, like blueberry. Anything goes with this cute cartoon. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, Stoney Creek School of Art, and we'll see you next time. Bye.